Hi guys, it's Sandy here. If you're new here, I am a South African beauty and lifestyle YouTuber. Yeah, this is not my usual video, but I did a thing. As by the title, you can tell what the thing is. Little bit of a disclaimer. This is the first console I am owning in a very long time. I mean, the last PlayStation I had probably was like the PS1. Like, yo, that thing slapped back in the day. But anyways, technology has come a long way since. My options were a gaming PC or PlayStation, and PlayStation actually works out cheaper than the gaming PC. Also, big thank you to my friend Glory, because he was the one that kind of did the nudging and convincing and helped me figure out what would be best for my lifestyle. Let's get straight into this, hey? I picked this up at Makro. They said it was on promotion. Whether it was actually a money-saving deal or whether I was tricked by the on promotion sign, I don't know. I guess we'll never know, hey? This only has one controller. I would like to get another controller at some other point, but this comes with 2 games, the remote and the charging dock. Usually like the remote and the charging dock itself is like 600 or 700 rand each. That's the remote and the charging dock. And these were the 2 games that came with it, Demon Souls and Horizon Forbidden West. I'm gonna open the PlayStation first, and then I'll open up the accessories. I also plan to get the PlayStation Plus subscription, and that seems like a really good value for money, because you pay like 1,500 and you can get a deluxe subscription for 12 months, and you have access to play so many games. A lot of the stuff came in this part of the box, and the actual unit is down at the bottom. Yoo! This is really huge. Oh wow, okay. It's gorgeous, but it's big and heavy. Came with the controller. Wow, that is gorgeous. Look how pretty the controller is. Oh my goodness. Vibes. Sorry, you must know I'm not used to controllers. Of course, the instruction manuals and what. Looks like the cable to connect the controller to the unit. This is probably power cable. This HDMI connect to the screen. Awesome. Okay, not a lot of things in this box. Very simple. I like. This is probably the base if you want to stand it upright. I'll be honest with you, I have no idea how to stand it on the stand. That is so embarrassing. But yeah, it's fine. That's not the biggest problem here. Oh yeah, they show you how to attach it onto the base. Oh, it's all in the instruction manual. I think I'm gonna keep it horizontal though. They said for horizontal. Ah, there we go. Horizontal. Open this. That was a quick unboxing. There's so few things in the box. I like it. Simple. If you know me, you know I love Genshin Impact. But the game is really heavy to play. And with each update, it just gets heavier and heavier. Especially if you don't have like a computer with an SSD. Genshin Impact's become unplayable on my laptop. It's just never nice to play Genshin Impact on the phone, you know? Even though I do like have a phone that can handle the game, like it will still start like overheating, and I mean the screen is so small, it's not nice for like exploring and stuff. A lot of other games that I've just always wanted to play, and now I can play them. So please comment suggestions below for other games I can try out. Oh yay, yeah, it comes with batteries, the Sony batteries too. Nice. Oh man, it's so nice. Here's the box. This is what the remote looks like. Thing is, I don't have Spotify. I use Apple Music. And then we have the charging docking station. I'm basically a overgrown kid. Like, really. This brings me a lot of joy. Like, who says you have to grow up and like grown-up things. What do grown-up people like? I don't know. Okay, big manual. This is the charging block for the station. Oh, that is gorgeous. Oh, and it's all slanted, just like the PlayStation design. And it fits nicely like that. Cute, 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 cute. I need to make my setup look really nice. I'm kind of keen to play Horizon Forbidden West. And again, this relates to Genshin Impact because I have the character Aloy in Genshin Impact, which was like a crossover collab with Genshin and this game. So it'd be cool to actually play this game as well. Anyway, short little video. I don't know, hope you enjoyed. I really did. It's gonna be a new experience. It's gonna be a fun experience. I don't think I'm very qualified to be doing a review on this because I'm a first time new user. I don't have much technical knowledge in the world of PlayStation as well and console gaming. So I'm really just out here to enjoy this, enjoy the experience, get some good quality relaxation because I always enjoyed gaming, but I never really had the facilities, so to say. Maybe I'll do some gaming related content on my second TikTok account, Sandy Spam Stuff. If you know that account, you know that account. I usually post like Genshin Impact things on there. But anyways, thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope that you enjoyed. Don't forget to subscribe, give this video a thumbs up, comment down below. Don't forget to follow my socials, which will be linked down below in the description. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye!